As we take a look here, you could see that the station, like I mentioned in another video, this is as of August 12th, 2022. But you can see the concrete station that has the ramp that leads up. That is a handicap accessible ramp. We can see that the rails are in place leading into the ride, and the station looks almost to be complete. I was motioned by the security guard to move along, even though I was on a public road. Anyways, as you can see right here, most of this is complete. I do not see any of the ride vehicles intact. There is a yellow shed out here. You can see the yellow shed, right? Looks like they have the permanent fence structure up, so that's pretty interesting. Looks really nice though. Looks like they're still working on the electrical. I have been told that they were working on that, and it looks like that is true, and that appears to be the case. And there's a bunch of other ride structures back here as well, in parts and pieces. We can get another angle shot over here of a triple loop. Looks like Indiana Beach Maintenance is moving some sort of boat into the maintenance area. It appears that they're working maybe on the mid-course brake run over here. Looks like he was doing a little bit of welding up there. Not electrical, my bad.